At Affirmer, we truly enjoy elevating your training materials, policies, knowledge, and key communications to life for your employees, partners, and customers. Using the latest range of technology and instructional design techniques, we create engaging and transformative customized digital assets for your business, so that they are relatable, memorable, and actionable. Please take the time to view just a small sample of some of our current work. Speeding on MHE is dangerous. Speed limits are mandatory, not optional. Please ensure that you obey the site speed limit and drive to conditions on site. Use 3 points of contact for access to and from the MHE, and always wear a seat belt if fitted. To use an extinguisher, check the safety label to ensure that you have the correct type of extinguisher. These images will assist you. Pull the pin and test the extinguisher to ensure that it is working. Aim at the base of the fire. Squeeze the operating handle. Sweep from side to side. Only operate an extinguisher if it is safe to do so and you have a clear escape path. Extinguishers must be within date, as shown on the metal punch tag, and be visually inspected for damage every 6 months. If they request you service the room whilst they remain inside, then you should prop the door open using a door stopper. This is for your safety whilst in the room with the guest. If the guest leaves whilst you are cleaning the room, then you should then close the door and continue cleaning as if the room was empty when you arrived. If a door has a Do Not Disturb sign, you should respect the sign and not service the room. Do not knock and do not deliver any items you may have for that room. Make a note that the room had a Do Not Disturb sign. Harassment is any form of behavior that is unsolicited, unwelcome, uninvited and unreciprocated, which may cause offense or distress to a reasonable person. Harassment may occur between any individuals, team members of any position, customers, visitors or contractors at the workplace. This includes conduct which occurs in the workplace or in connection with work, for example, at a social function, a Christmas party, or at a work function or outside work hours. Operation of a vehicle-mounted crane to remove or place a pump into a pump station. When any load shifting is to take place, no person shall be attached to the crane, on the load, or beneath the load. When lifting, use these hand signals. If during the test lift you encounter any problem including 1 or more stabilizers sink, there is excessive load movement, or the truck is unstable, you must immediately lower the load and take corrective action which removes the problem, including chocks, pigsty cribbing, or relocating the truck if the stabilizers are sinking. These requirements should be continuously checked during the lift. Noise is considered dangerous if workers are exposed to noise that exceeds the exposure standard of 85 decibels averaged over an 8-hour period, or a maximum noise level of 140 decibels. You may have dangerous levels of noise and exceed the exposure standard in your workplace if it is difficult to hear someone speaking to you from 1 meter away. You notice temporary hearing loss or ringing in the ears after leaving work. You have difficulty hearing warning signals, alarms or sirens over the noise. Protect yourself from noise by Wearing correctly fitted hearing protection that is suitable for your workplace, indicated by hearing protection signage. Assess the emergency using D, R, S, A, B, C, D. D. Dangers. Check for any hazards and risks around the patient. R. Responsive. Check the victim's conscious state and normal breathing. S. Send for help. Raise help by calling anyone nearby for assistance, and if an ambulance is required, call 000. A. Establish an airway. Ensure that the airway is open and check for any foreign material. B. Look, listen and feel for normal breathing. If they are breathing, move them to the recovery position. If it is safe to do so, encourage the people you are with to go with you, but don't let the hesitation of others slow you down. Take your mobile phone with you, but do not put yourself in further danger to get your mobile phone. Do not let your belongings slow down your escape. Do not congregate in open areas or wait at evacuation points. If you are unable to escape, hide. Find a safe place to hide near your work area, and try and put a sturdy physical barrier between you and the offender. Be as quiet and as still as possible, so you do not give away your hiding place. Silence your phone, turn off the vibrate function.
Use of aircraft wheel chocks and safety cones. Chocks and safety cones shall be placed in accordance with airline requirements, particularly allowing for adverse weather conditions, including high winds. Do not approach the aircraft until the aircraft is at a complete stop. The engines are switched off and spooling down. All jet aircraft should be chocked fore and aft of the nose wheel, unless otherwise required by the aircraft manufacturer or operator.
Courtesy is important, as it shows you value your audience, and it builds goodwill. It also shows that you consider the students' or others' viewpoints and feelings, and this will promote high engagement. It also requires that you keep your message unbiased. By using the 7 C's tool, you will find as an educator that you can make your communication more effective and successful in supporting the development of the next generation of leaders and community members on their learning journey.
Thank you for viewing some extracts from a small selection of videos we have the privilege of building for customers globally. At Affirmer, we look forward to serving you in bringing your organization's learning, policies, and knowledge to life for your customers, partners, and employees.